Hi everyone. Today we are talking about banks. Talking about banks is just as important as talking about like where you're going to move, what apartment or house you're going to live in. Because the bank is the apartment or house that your money lives in. And we want to make sure that it's doing two things for you. One, that it's tactically supporting you, and number two, that it feels good energetically. So what do I mean by that? One, tactically, I want to make sure that you are not paying fees to bank where you're banking. Overdraft fees, account minimums, ATM fees. We don't need any of those fees. There are so many banks out there that have a standard of no fee that if you're paying fees at your bank, we got to get you out of there. Same thing with a savings account with a high interest rate. These are called high yield savings accounts that are very common among online banks like Ally, Marcus by Goldman Sachs, CIT. There are so many banks now that will pay you more money for your money just to sit there versus some of the banks like Wells Fargo, Bank of America, Chase that are going to pay you pennies. So let's make sure your bank is tactically supporting you. Number two, we want to make sure it feels good. So if you log in and your bank account makes you go, like you see the harsh red and blue colors, or like it's a bank account you used to have a joint account with an ex with, or you used to be in debt and that's where the credit card debt was housed, like that bank account, those colors, that login process is holding that energy. So to switch to a totally new bank account can help release some of that old story, old patterning around your previous thoughts about money.